the nationwide COVID-19 vaccination for people above 45 years of age began on April 1st. In Mumbai, to make things easier, the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation has planned to run 10 centers in 2 shifts. The midday team visited a few vaccination centers across Mumbai city to see the turnout and arrangements made for the same. Midday spoke to the Dean of the NESCO facility in Goregaon.
So today is the first day of the vaccination rollout of above 40 years old. What are the preparations like?
So today is our first day and we started at 7:45 sharp. From 8 o'clock we had the people lining up for vaccination, and so far till now 2096 citizens have already been vaccinated, and this is going to continue till 8 p.m. in the night. Totally we have 15 units. We have divided our manpower into 2 sessions. The first session will run from 8 to 2, and at 2 p.m. the manpower will change with a new team coming in from 2 to 8 p.m.
Are you expecting a huge turnout?
We are expecting a huge turnout, especially because NESCO has earned a good name as far as vaccination and even COVID management is concerned. Our whole setup is very vast. There is a lot of space to move around. There is no stampede, no chaos, no crowds. We have adequate number of seating. We have 15 units. Each unit is divided into a waiting area, vaccination area and an observation area. The entire setup is centrally air conditioned, and we are providing free tea, coffee for everyone who comes here. We are giving free packaged water for everyone, and we are giving free sanitizers for senior citizens. In each observation area, we have kept the emergency crash carts. We have doctors available over here. Strictly we follow the 30-minute schedule, that the time they get vaccinated is noted down on their token. That token is shown to the doctor. The doctor notes down what time they have got vaccinated and when their half an hour will be up. After that half an hour is up, each and every person's temperature, BP and the oxygen saturation is checked, and they are given instructions for the future.
Midday also visited the BKC Jumbo COVID Vaccination Center.
We have very good response in this. You can see we have vaccinated more than 1500 people as of now, and we have made a good arrangement for new phase also, in the wake that 45 and above may create a rush situation. But you can see in BKC after this much number also, there is no rush at all in waiting rooms. You can see people quietly sitting in the observation rooms after being vaccinated for 30 minutes, and they are happily going home. So there is no issue. We are expecting a good response for phase 4 of 45 and above.
How many people vaccinated now?
Now see, from today BKC, as per instruction of Honorable Municipal Commissioner, we have started 2 shifts from today. So in 1 shift we have already crossed 5,000 people. So we are targeting 7,000 to 8,000 per day in 2 shifts. Let us hope the number would be completed. And for your information, BKC Vaccination Center is the only center of this country who has completed 1 lakh vaccination in last week only.
Those who got vaccinated at these facilities also shared their experience of the same.
Today the vaccine for 45 plus has started, and the way it is organized out here is damn good. When I came here, I thought, I might just take like at least 2 hours or something, but it's so well organized that I was out in 10 minutes. Now half an hour compulsory, you have to sit here, but that is fine.
My name is Mohammad Rahil. Right now I'm at the BKC Vaccination Center. Today is the first day. I came a little late, thinking there will be a lot of rush, but then the rush was very, very less compared to what the people told me was there in the morning, earlier part. Second thing is, the whole place is very well organized. The people are quite professional. They are highly trained. All that you have to do is you have to get your registration done online. There is an app for that, I think. I got my registration done online. So all that is required is that you have to tell them that you are registered. That is one. Second is your identity, ID proof. So I got my Aadhaar card with me. So what they do is they look at your Aadhaar card, they give you a number. You go to that particular booth, they give you the vaccination. The needles are new. They are all getting disposed of. They are all getting crushed. So do not worry about that. You can get your own needles in case you want it from home, just for extra safety, just in case you want. But this place is quite safe. Distance is being maintained at least till the time we get your vaccination done. After that, this is the post-vaccination area where we are actually being kept under observation, just to ensure that nobody is having any problem. There are doctors and medicos over here keeping a very close watch on the people over here. So it's a very, very good facility. I would recommend this. You guys, you should come over here. It's a government facility, but it's very, very well maintained. Thank you very much to the doctors, to the government and the administration. Thank you very much.
Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.